Hi, my name is Marietta and Mehanni, and I am so happy to run workshops again with the amazing Maria Teresa Stone this year. So we're going to come to Perth on the 18th of March to do the fantastic full day training of Watch Your Body Language, Wow the AQUA Effect, and HIIT, H2O intermittent training. It's a big day and there's a lot of CEC points available for this particular day if you're interested in coming along. And Maria and I don't often come to Perth. I live in Melbourne, she lives in Sydney, and occasionally every year or 2 years we trek across the country to come to Perth, which we love and adore. So, hope to see you there. You want to make sure that you come along to these trainings, particularly Watch Your Body Language. You might look at it and go, but it's actually one of the ones that we've had the most feedback about, in that this is primary or necessary education for every group fitness instructor. And if you're a personal trainer, it's also an awesome way to come along and find out a little bit more about how best to create rapport with your clients. Wow, the AQUA Effect is all about how well do you teach AQUA on land, getting the experience in the water and translating that to doing it on land. Even if you've been teaching for a really long time, revisiting all of those really important teaching points is just going to give your class a bit more of an oomph. And if you're a new instructor, this is absolutely vital for you. Now finally, HIIT training. Now this is a format that we love. It's something that you can literally plug out of the workshop and teach in 2 or 3 hours afterwards. It's one of those formats that your participants are going to love, they're going to enjoy doing, and certainly it's easy for you to teach. I mean, wow, what a fantastic combination, right? So, 18th of March in Perth, you can check out my website and book there, mariamehanni.com, and I hope to see you there.